Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. The principal I choose is the principal number 4. Assessment is learner-centered. So assessment must be a learner-centered. If I ever become a teacher as a future educator, to engage students to learning experience should be more focused to the students because the more involved students in the class, the more they want to study or learn. So my plan for assessment that I will apply in this principle, of course, I will give the students group and individual activities, presentations of focus na ko sa akong klase mga academic recordings sa individual sa mga estudyante. Because this would help my students to improve their learning skills and this will help also to develop their confidence. So another example, another plan na ako ikuan sa akong klase buhon is in my discussions, I will give handouts and select a text that is relevant to that day's topic and call every student to stand and read the text out loud. I will make sure also in my class that my discussion is fun as well, so that they will not get bored in my class. I will make sure in my class that everybody is participating because in that way, mas makalearn ang estudyante ma'am kung ang tanan yun is mag-participate sa akong klase. After my discussion, maghatag yun ko of course, mga quiz o mga mangutana ko sa akong mga estudyante o sa ilang